there, Tony, what's it like in all that fire? Screaming, swearing, you can't run away. Your cries are just so pretty through and through. I bought this blowtorch just for you, I swear it's true. Hello there, Tony, don't you worry about bleeding out, 'cause all this heat will cauterize the wound. Our fun continues on, so close your eyes. Listen to my voice, it's your demise. I'll sing you cry. Oh, the smell of burning flesh again. Oh, the sound of white-hot pain. Oh, your lovely screams of agony. Oh, the fire in your eyes, fire in your chest. Hello there, Tony, staying alive is getting hard, but just believe me, boy, that after this, your chest will look so manly, burnt and scarred. Open up your eyes, here comes round two. You can pull through. Hello there, Tony, what's that horrid look of hate? If every single form of torture could just take your breath away, I'd try them all. On your stupid blue face you would fall, and I'd stand tall. Oh, the smell of burning flesh again. Oh, the sound of white-hot pain. Oh, your lovely screams of agony. Oh, the fire in your eyes. 20 minutes come and gone, you're looking quite frail and withdrawn. I'd kiss you if I thought you would be good, but you would probably bite my lip, rip off my tongue, and stab my hip. You'd choke me if you had no other way. Now, Tony, I can promise you, by the time that we get through, your face will never ever be the same, and I'm to blame. Hello there, Tony, only one more round to go now. Feel your body getting warm and numb, your vision's getting dizzy, what a view. You know it's just 'cause I love you, and a lot of hatred thrown in too. Hello there, Tony, here's to you, this one's for you. Oh, the smell of burning flesh again. Oh, the sound of white-hot pain. Oh, your lovely screams of agony. Oh, the fire in your eyes, fire in your chest. Oh.